So I asked my supervisor about transferring to an engineering office, and I was told no, I couldn't do that. A little disappointed, but then I decided I was going to go to a higher level supervisor. So I went to a director, several levels up, and I knew I was taking a risk to do that. I could have been fired for jumping around some supervisors. And so I went to the supervisor and I said, I'd like to know why males and females coming here with pretty much the same background are assigned to such different positions. The women are put in computer offices where they do what the engineer asks. They don't give talks, they don't do the research, and they don't write papers, they don't get their names on papers, and they don't get promoted. The men, on the other hand, are given a research area. They do the research, they give talks, they write papers, and they get promoted. And he looked at me and he says, you know, nobody has ever asked that question before. I said, well, I'm asking it now. And lo and behold, I went back to my office. 3 weeks later, I was promoted and I was transferred to an engineering section. And I want the young people to hear that, because I want them to know that very often when you've got that tug inside of you of something that you really want to do, that's going to give you the energy and the ability to push forward and do that very, very often.